The world witnessed significant advancements in various cutting-edge technologies. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, continued to revolutionize industries, while 5G technology promised faster connectivity and enabled innovations in IoT and AR/VR. Quantum computing held promise for solving complex problems exponentially faster, while biotechnology, including CRISPR gene editing, showed potential for revolutionizing healthcare and agriculture. Renewable energy technologies saw increasing efficiency and affordability, contributing to the global shift towards sustainability. Blockchain technology expanded beyond cryptocurrencies, finding applications in supply chain management and digital identity verification. IoT devices proliferated, enabling automation and smart functionalities in various domains. Advanced robotics, including autonomous drones and collaborative robots, transformed industries. These advancements collectively shaped a landscape of innovation,